mystery. And yeah. So let's open it. Alright. So this book is this theme of the box is Campfire stories.
There's friendship bracelets.
Oh my gosh. So yes, we're gonna we love friendship bracelets. Like this isn't really a friendship bracelet, but like we like making bracelets and stuff. So this is, oh my god, this is perfect. It's also really like campfire-y, like, and like when camping, like if you go to a sleepaway camp, then like you make friendship bracelets. And so my sister and I love making friendship bracelets.
Yeah.
And it looks like they have a lot of colors and like different, I think that might be like cardboard cutouts of like things you can use to like make designs. I remember making those when I was little. But I'm so excited that we have this.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely make those.
A notebook?
Yeah, this is probably a notebook. It says there's no lake at Camp Green Lake. Okay, it's kind of ironic. But it seems, yep, it's a notebook. Just nice lined paper. Right?
Yeah.
Definitely good for like writing.
And I don't even know what this is.
Yeah, we're not really
Camp?
Red feather. Yeah, red feather.
Camp Red Feather.
Camp Red Feather. It's sort of like, kind of looks like a first aid kit. Probably just, okay. This is so cool. Here you can store like pencils and stuff, and then here's like your notebook. It's like when you open it, you have like both sides.
Or it can be the same.
Yeah, I guess if you really want it to be a first aid kit, you can definitely do one.
We really want to.
Nice. So,
What is that?
oh, I feel it. Sunglasses.
Oh,
So
yeah,
it says,
I remember.
please lie down before putting these on. Property of the Bureau of Supernatural Affairs.
Ooh.
Sunglasses. Let me just. Nice. But yeah, just gonna wear these. They look so cool. Especially like since now it's summer, sunglasses definitely help. Definitely. Okay, and finally, we have the book. It is called 12 by Janet Key. Oh, and it says, finding yourself is a treasure worth seeking. And I'm just going to read this back here. Hands trembling, Marin picked up the little envelope and turned it over. On the back was some writing in the same fancy cursive scroll. And as soon as she read the words written there, she understood. There was a ring. The play was the key. And someone, for some reason, wanted her to find it. Okay. It's probably really, really confusing not having to read the blurb. But I think she obviously, Marin, I guess, is the main character. And she obviously goes to a camp. And in the camp, I'm guessing there's like this ring that someone wants her to find, and it's a mystery because she wants to find where the ring went. But this looks so cool. Yeah. And there is a letter, not indented, already in like one of the pages, and it says, "Dear OwlcrateJr. reader, the lights dim. A hush falls over the audience. On stage, the velvet curtain rises. I love the moment before a story begins, don't you? I always feel like I'm about to be let in on a terrific secret." This book started with the idea, what if there really was a secret treasure hidden in a play? So began the adventures of the theater nerds and rebels you are about to meet in this beautiful OwlcrateJr. signed edition. like them, I hope you get lost in the language, history, and magic of the theater and just maybe discover your own treasure in the process. Break a leg, Jeanette Key. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to read this book. This sounds so good. And I love the cover too. Like it's like so rebel-esque. I don't know. It's just like they look like they're like sneaking out. So excited to read this book. Definitely. Okay. And it also comes with a sticker.
And what is that for?
And this is
a sticker.
Yeah. Oh, this is the main character, Marin Sands. And it says name Marin Sands, she, her, age 12, cabin mascot cubs, friends Theo Templeton, Sal Daly, and Graham Axley Hempel. Likes writing in her journal, dislikes calling attention to herself. Abilities, memorization, and attention to details. Nice. So that's a little clue about the main character, who she is. Yes, and then this sticker. Camp Half-Blood. This whole box is campfire-y and like sort of a little bit of like it's definitely mystery. And all these different like I guess camp related scary like items are in here. The last thing in this book is the theme of the July OwlcrateJr. is jump off the page. It says, what would you do if the stories you imagined leapt off of the page and came true in your world? Find out in OwlcrateJr.'s July book. Next month's read is a contemporary coming-of-age friendship story with a speculative fantasy twist, perfect for fans of Natalie Lloyd, Rebecca Stead, The Next Great, Polly Fink, and from the mixed-up files of Miss Basil E. Frankweiler. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. What was your favorite item?
I like this one, the friendship bracelets, and the sticker and the main character.
Okay, so those so cute. I really like the friendship bracelets, and of course, the book. So, thank you guys so much for watching this month's OwlcrateJr. unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it.